Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. And looking around back, you have the multi-position tailgate here, which is pretty neat. You can open it up in a couple of different ways to create some steps or a place to sit. Let's take a look inside. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a full leather interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having these sort of compartments in the seats themselves, and the seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some storage underneath. And in the middle here, you have two more cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt, as well as heated rear seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as two memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 26,191 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, more service info. Then you can move over to your now playing, navigation information, phone controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have a home screen where you just have your digital speedometer and distance to empty. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your heated steering wheel button, and you have your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. Moving to the left here, you have your 4x4 controls with 4 auto and terrain mode, and then you have your tow haul mode and sport mode selector, and your lighting controls. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, Bluetooth, and auxiliary capable, so you have plenty of options there. You have your phone controls, your seat controls, so your digital climate controls. You have dual zone front climate, shifting into reverse. You do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And moving down from that, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. You have your auto start stop shut off, your remote tailgate release, hazards, traction control shut off, and your outlet power button. And you have your trailer brake controller, USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, as well as a 115-volt power outlet, I believe. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have a nice big cubby area here with two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is massive inside, with another USB, USB-C, your auxiliary, and SD card slot. And I believe, last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.